6 gut-friendly foods to include in your diet. It's common knowledge that a healthy gut is the foundation of overall well-being. One often overlooked aspect of supporting gut health is the inclusion of fermented foods in our diet. These foods, such as kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir, are rich in probiotics that can help to restore the balance of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Additionally, incorporating fiber-rich foods like beans and legumes into your daily meals can promote a healthy digestive system by aiding in regular bowel movements and nourishing the good bacteria in your gut. In addition to fermented and fiber-rich foods, prebiotics play an essential role in maintaining a healthy gut environment. Foods like garlic, onions, and bananas contain prebiotic fibers that act as fuel for the beneficial bacteria in our digestive system. By regularly including these foods in your diet, you can support the growth of good bacteria and improve overall digestive health. Yogurt and probiotic-rich foods. Yogurt and other probiotic-rich foods are not just delicious treats. They can also work wonders for your digestive system. Packed with live, beneficial bacteria, these foods help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora, which is essential for proper digestion and overall well-being. Probiotics also play a vital role in boosting the immune system, preventing inflammation, and even improving mental health. Incorporating yogurt into your daily diet can be as simple as enjoying it as a snack or adding it to smoothies and parfaits. Additionally, fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir are excellent sources of probiotics that can bring diversity to your gut microbiome. By embracing these gut-friendly options, you'll not only experience improved digestion but may also notice enhanced energy levels and better mood regulation. So next time you reach for a snack or plan your meals, consider the long-term benefits of including yogurt and other probiotic-rich foods in your diet. High-fiber fruits and vegetables. High-fiber fruits and vegetables are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Not only do they aid in preventing constipation, but they also promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Berries, such as raspberries and blackberries, are not only high in fiber but also rich in antioxidants that can reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. Similarly, leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with fiber and help support a healthy gut microbiome. Incorporating high-fiber fruits and vegetables into your diet can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. For example, avocados are creamy, delicious, and loaded with fiber that promotes regular bowel movements and aids in the removal of waste products from the body. Furthermore, artichokes are an excellent source of prebiotic fiber, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut and helps to maintain a balanced microbiome. By prioritizing these high-fiber foods, you can nourish your digestive system while enjoying a variety of tasty and nutritious options. Fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut. Fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut have been gaining popularity for their digestive health benefits. These traditional foods are rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Probiotics help to restore the balance of good bacteria in the gut, leading to improved digestion and absorption of nutrients. Additionally, the fermentation process creates enzymes that aid in breaking down food, making it easier for the body to digest. What sets kimchi and sauerkraut apart is their unique combination of flavors and nutritional profiles. Kimchi, a staple in Korean cuisine, is made from fermented vegetables like cabbage and radishes, combined with spicy seasonings for a flavorful punch. On the other hand, sauerkraut offers a tangy taste with its fermented cabbage base. Both options provide an array of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C and K, as well as fiber, all essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Incorporating these fermented foods into your diet can offer a delicious way to promote gut health while also diversifying your culinary experience. Whether enjoyed on their own or added to dishes as vibrant condiments, kimchi and sauerkraut not only bring cultural richness but also contribute to overall well-being through fostering a healthy gut environment. Whole grains such as oats and quinoa. Whole grains such as oats and quinoa are powerhouse ingredients when it comes to improving digestive health. Oats, in particular, contain a unique type of fiber called beta-glucan, which has been shown to support gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Additionally, quinoa is a versatile grain rich in insoluble fiber that can aid in regulating bowel movements and preventing constipation. Furthermore, Whole grains like oats and quinoa are also packed with essential nutrients such as vitamin B, magnesium, and iron that play crucial roles in maintaining overall digestive well-being. By incorporating these nutrient-dense grains into your diet, you not only support your body's digestion processes but also provide sustained energy levels throughout the day. In addition to their digestive benefits, both oats and quinoa can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. A win-win for anyone looking to prioritize their gut health while enjoying delicious and versatile foods. Lean proteins like chicken and fish. When it comes to improving digestive health, incorporating lean proteins like chicken and fish into your diet can be a game changer. These protein sources are not only rich in essential nutrients but also easier for the body to digest compared to red meats. For example, chicken is a great source of high-quality protein and contains less saturated fat than red meat, making it easier on the digestive system. Additionally, fish such as salmon and cod are packed with omega-3 fatty acids which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe gastrointestinal discomfort and promote gut health. Moreover, the lean nature of these proteins means they can be broken down more efficiently by the stomach enzymes, reducing the risk of digestive distress. Both chicken and fish contain important amino acids that support muscle repair and growth while being gentle on the stomach lining. By incorporating these lean proteins into your meals, you can provide your body with essential nutrients while giving your digestive system a break from processing heavier foods. So next time you're thinking about what to include in your meal plan for better gut health, consider adding some delicious and easily digestible chicken or fish options. Nuts and seeds for healthy fats. Nuts and seeds are powerhouses of healthy fats that are essential for gut health. Packed with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, nuts and seeds can help to nourish the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and promote overall digestive wellness. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to a reduced risk of inflammatory bowel diseases such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Additionally, these heart-healthy fats can also support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, leading to a more balanced microbiome. Furthermore, the high fiber content in nuts and seeds not only supports healthy digestion but also promotes satiety and helps regulate blood sugar levels. The combination of healthy fats and fiber in nuts and seeds can aid in reducing bloating or discomfort commonly associated with digestive issues. Incorporating a variety of nuts and seeds into your diet can offer an array of nutrients that support digestive function while providing a satisfying crunch to meals or snacks. Whether sprinkled over yogurt or incorporated into smoothies or salads, these small but mighty additions could make a significant impact on your gut health journey. Tips for incorporating gut-friendly foods into your diet. One effective tip for incorporating gut-friendly foods into your diet is to focus on fiber-rich fruits and vegetables. Foods like berries, apples, broccoli, and spinach are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients that promote gut health. Additionally, fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are rich in probiotics that support a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut. By including these foods in your daily meals, you can help improve digestion and overall gut function. Another valuable strategy is to prioritize whole grains over refined carbohydrates. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and barley contain fiber that nourishes the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These grains also provide a steady source of energy without causing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This results in better digestion and absorption of nutrients while promoting a healthier environment for your gut microbiome. Incorporating these simple yet powerful tips into your diet can help you maintain a happy and healthy gut. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, fermented foods, and whole grains, you can actively support the thriving ecosystem within your digestive system. Making conscious choices to incorporate these gut-friendly options into your diet will not only benefit your overall well-being but also lead to improved digestion and enhanced nutrient absorption. Embracing the holistic approach of nurturing your gut through food choices may just be the key to achieving optimal digestive health. Conclusion: prioritize gut health with these foods. In conclusion, prioritizing gut health can be achieved by incorporating specific foods into your diet. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi contain beneficial probiotics that support a healthy gut flora. These probiotics can help regulate digestion and reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, promoting overall digestive wellness. Additionally, high-fiber foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are essential for gut health as they aid in proper digestion and promote regular bowel movements. By including a variety of these foods in your diet, you can ensure that your gut receives the necessary nutrients to function optimally. Moreover, consuming prebiotic-rich foods such as garlic, onions, and bananas can also contribute to a healthy gut environment by providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. Prioritizing these gut-friendly foods is key to maintaining overall digestive health and well-being.